This is Larry Bonerato from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. Proper planning keeps you focused for success. You need a process to keep you focused on completion of daily and future tasks. Successful people have the ability to get things done properly and on time. They use either a written or an electronic to-do list. Daily tasks can include both personal and professional tasks. Personal tasks include household and family events. Professional items are to keep you focused on your success at work. Today, let's discuss your professional daily to-do list. Your to-do list will keep you focused in any occupation. Here are some suggested tasks. Schedule times for task beginning and task completion. For contacts and follow-ups, either electronically or in person. For training for yourself and or your team. Reviewing data and reports. Planning for the future. Personal development, exercise, and rest. For instance, if you are a brick mason, you'll need the materials on site to help complete your job. Thus, the day before the job, you need to have the materials delivered and secured and the helper scheduled. With these and your best practices in place, you will maximize production. Your to-do list for yesterday includes both laying brick, getting the materials and help lined up for tomorrow, and following up on future jobs to keep you and your team focused and busy. Today's list will be similar to yesterday's list. If you sell for a living, your plan may consist of client visits, office appointments, client follow-ups, and prospecting either in person or electronically. You must schedule time for continuous training to sharpen your sales skills, plus time to review new products and services. If you're selling at a particular location, plan your on-floor and off-floor time. You must have a separate list of prospects and what they're searching for. Review that list daily. Plus, schedule both rest and exercise to keep your mind and body in shape. If you manage a business, schedule meetings, keeping them brief and focused using a meeting agenda. Eliminate unplanned or unfocused meetings. Your job is to achieve your goals working through other people. Schedule time for both inspections and follow-up. Plan time for reviewing data and reports to ensure compliance. Plan for the future. Remember, you must successfully manage people, process, product, and promotion, the 4 Ps. Schedule time for each, plus schedule time for rest and exercise to keep your mind and body in good shape. Here's a sample to-do list. 6:30 a.m. exercise and breakfast. 8:30 a.m. team sales meeting. 9:15 to 10:30 a.m. interview prospective hires. 10:30 to 11:30 meeting with the marketing team. 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. review and return calls and messages. 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. lunch. 1:30 to 2:15 p.m. Zoom session with team leaders. 2:30 to 3 p.m. conference call with suppliers. 3 to 4:30 p.m. MBWA, that is management by walking around, having discussion with team members. 4:30 to 5:15 review and return messages and calls, and 5:15 to 5:30 p.m. make your plan for tomorrow. Now, events will occur taking you away from your plan. This is going to happen. Go back to your plan once these events are handled. And remember, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So proper planning keeps you focused for success. And that is today's Morning Minute.